Hello friends, I'm Mike from Everytech is Awesome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a virus using a Python that can crash your Windows PC. Let's get started. First we're gonna open PyCharm. Let's create a new scratch file. Here it is, scratch file 19. Now it's created. Let's run. Yeah. Now we're gonna import. Here it is. RM stands for remove and 3 stands for directory. And we're gonna paste the directory here, and we are gonna delete the system32. Let's go, and here it is, system32. Let's copy this and paste it here. And let's add this. Yeah. What if we run this program? If we run this program, our Windows will crash, will not work properly because the system32 is deleted. Let's check it. System32 contains critical system file, software program, and they are essentially to boot operating system. So deleting it will cause system failure and nothing will work properly. So we will not run this. I don't want to make my PC crash. So I will show you by deleting another folder. Let's make a new folder. Let's add file in it. Here it is. We have put a file here, and then let's copy the directory. Copy. And then let's paste here. Let's add this. And run. Where it is? It's deleted. Let's check here. It's not also here. It will permanently delete it. What if you want to delete a PC without a Python is installed or doesn't read a Python file? So we have to convert this into X file. Let's save this file, virus, and then we're gonna exit. Here it is created. Now here you have to download this and then run, open with. Let's select path, virus, open, then advanced. Desktop. Let's create again that file. That's name new folder 2 to check the X file is working. It's completed. Let's close. Here it is. Let's run it. It is deleted. So it really worked. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. I'm Mike from Everytech is Awesome, and subscribe to my channel.